Some of the limitations within my study was during the pre and post survey, because they were exactly the same, that did not allow for the students to express how they felt during the student-centered learning activity, the independent study. The teacher observation checklists also were very limited on what was documented. It did not allow space for students that were working on the project outside of class to be documented, or if they were working on them before class had begun. The teacher observation checklist also only mentioned discussions with peers, not teachers and adults. The independent study packet did cause some disengagement, so that was an area of weakness that also caused issues within my study. Some of the recommendations for future research would be to incorporate some sort of field notes, any observations that are noticed that aren't just marked as a tally on the teacher observation checklist would be a good form to show other things that may be observed that are not included on the checklist. Providing other methods for the independent study packet would provide really nice choice for the students. Not all students are going to enjoy or feel engaged during that packet, and others may find it more engaging to maybe create a video of some sort, and using those different methods and differentiating in that way would be best for the case of this study. Incorporating questions that are targeted towards the independent study to get deeper thoughts and responses from students would be best on to get further data within this study, because a lot of the information was very vague and never targeted exactly to dig deeper on the independent study. There was a lack of data targeted specifically to the independent study. So in conclusion, this study suggests that providing choice in student-centered learning in the 5th grade visual arts classroom will improve student engagement. Although 3 students did not show engagement with independent study, for improved engagement and lower disengagement. The majority of students showed an increase in engagement, even more so after the planning or the independent packet portion, as well as lower disengaged behaviors that were displayed prior to the intervention. Therefore, further research is needed to better document student engagement and thoughts about the student-centered learning activity within the visual arts classroom.